Want to play PSP games on your iPhone or iPad? In this video, I'll show you how to use PPSSPP, one of the most popular PSP emulators available on iOS. From setting up the emulator to launching your first game, everything will be explained step by step. First, open App Store in your iPhone the PPSSPP app on your iPhone or iPad. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it directly from the App Store. Once you open the app, you'll see the main interface where you can browse your device storage and access your PSP games. Open the application. As you can see, there are no games that can be played on this emulator, or it is still empty. Go back to the home screen and open Safari. I have provided the download link in the description. As you can see, you can download various games. Here, I will try one of the games. After that, return to PPSSPP and navigate to the folder where your game files are stored. ISO/CSO supported. Once you've located your game, simply tap on it to launch. The game should start within a few seconds, depending on your device performance. You can use the on-screen controls or connect a compatible Bluetooth controller for a better gaming experience. To improve graphics quality, tap Settings and go to Graphics. You can increase the rendering resolution for sharper visuals. If you experience lag, try lowering the resolution or enabling frame skipping for smoother gameplay. One of the best features in PPSSPP is Save State. Tap the PPSSPP menu while playing and select Save State to save your progress instantly. You can also use Load State later to continue exactly where you left off. And that's how you can use PPSSPP on your iPhone or iPad. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone, iPad, and gaming tutorials.